In 2025, the landscape of big data salaries is evolving rapidly. As companies increasingly rely on data-driven decisions, the demand for skilled professionals is skyrocketing. Data scientists can expect to earn an average salary of around $130,000, while machine learning engineers might see figures closer to $150,000.
According to the
But it's not
U.S.
just about the
Bureau of
numbers.
Labor Statistics,
Specialization is key.
data
Roles in
science
artificial
employment is
intelligence and
predicted to
data
grow
engineering are gaining
36% by
traction,
2031.
with salaries reflecting that trend. Benefits like remote work and flexible hours are becoming standard, making these positions even more attractive. Moreover, industries like healthcare and finance are leading the charge, offering premium pay for expertise in data analytics. Upskilling in programming languages like Python and R, or mastering tools like Hadoop and Spark, can significantly boost your earning potential. In this data-driven era, staying ahead means continuously learning and adapting. The future is bright for those ready to dive into big data,